Hello all, welcome to the next chapter of the Kotlin tutorial. Today, we are going to learn how to run a hello world program in Kotlin. Also, we will discuss about the main method in the Kotlin and few other stuffs. Now, we are going to create a Kotlin file. There is a package called hello world on the project panel on your left. Open that and you can see another package named src. Right click on it, choose new and select Kotlin file/class and name it as hello world. Let us keep it as a file for now. The entry point of a Kotlin class is a main file. So in order to create a main file, main method, we have to type fun main open and curly braces, and inside it let us write our hello world program. For that, use the command print ln and let us type hello world in it. So print ln will just print anything that inside it on a new line. So the Kotlin compiler automatically identified it is an executable file. So let's execute it. For that, you have to click on the green button on the left. Click on that and run hello world kt. The Kotlin compiler will run the program in a few seconds. Let's wait. It's compiling. Yes, as you can see, you have successfully compiled a program on Kotlin, a hello world program on Kotlin. Congrats. Let me give you a little more information about the main method in Kotlin. This is how the main function in Kotlin looks like. We are currently using version number 1.3.7 of Kotlin. This version was released on 3rd March 2020. In Kotlin versions earlier than 1.3, the main function must have a parameter of type array string. Like we have to pass an extra parameter of type array string. As you can see, the ID is trying to tell us something. So let's check it. It is telling us that since Kotlin 1.3 main parameter is not necessary, so we can actually run the main function without any parameters if you are using a Kotlin version later than 1.3 or 1.3. Also note that semicolons are optional. Even if we put a semicolon at the end of a statement, the Kotlin compiler will give us a warning. It is trying to give us a warning now, like redundant semicolon. So we can remove it as well. Also, let me show you how we can exploit the complete usage of an ID like IntelliJ. For that, let's clear all of this. Instead of typing the main function like fun main open the curly braces and closing the curly braces, we can just type main and the ID will autocomplete the main function for us. These are called live templates. As we progress more into the course, you will see me exploiting the usage of live templates for our advantage. One more thing, if you feel like you don't want to open the IntelliJ ID every time you want to just practice Kotlin, then there are options for that as well. There are several options for hands-on learning in your web browser like Kotlin Playground and Kotlin Examples. Let me just show you that. So in Kotlin Playground, you can just write some code in Kotlin and then compile it just like what we did using IntelliJ IDE. So there's this main function, and we are trying to print a hello world in it. Let's run it and see. Yeah, it is printing. It is getting printed. So you can use this option if you want to just try out Kotlin, just practice it. It's a very good useful option. And another option is Kotlin by examples. This will allow you to learn deeply about the concepts in Kotlin using examples. I use it a lot for it's a perfect documentation. So if you want to learn deeply, get all the contents, learn about it, you can use it. Today, we have learned how to run a Hello World program using Kotlin. Also, we learned something about the main method and how you can use your web browser as a Kotlin compiler. In the next chapter, we will learn about the variables in Kotlin. I will share the important links which we have mentioned in this chapter in the description. So, see you in the next chapter. Take care.